Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Vita Oregano Oil Capsules, a viral supplement on Amazon and TikTok claiming to boost immunity and fight infections. With oregano oil scams everywhere, is Vita legit or just another overhyped supplement? Let's break it down. So Vita Oregano Oil Capsules are sold on Amazon for around $30 and claim to deliver seed oil, garlic, olive leaf, and other herbs in a 7-in-1 botanical blend. They market high carvacrol content of 185 milligrams and claim it supports immune health. The product has thousands of reviews on Amazon and appears to be real, purchasable supplement. What is it, real or fake? Vita is a real product from a legitimate Amazon seller, not a complete scam that steals your money. You will receive actual capsules in your order. However, real doesn't automatically mean effective or worth the money. Let's dig deeper. Here's the critical context. The FTC has already fined oregano oil companies $2.5 million for making false claims that their products could prevent or treat colds, flu, and various infections. Companies claimed oregano oil could kill viruses, boost immunity, and treat serious diseases, all claims that were unsubstantiated and violated federal laws. This established a pattern. Oregano oil supplements often make bold health claims that aren't backed by solid scientific evidence. Oregano oil does contain compounds like carvacrol that has antimicrobial and antioxidant properties in laboratory studies. Some research shows potential health benefits for digestive health and minor immune support. However, there's a huge gap between laboratory research shows antimicrobial activity and this will prevent you from getting sick or cure infections. Most clinical evidence is limited, and oregano oil is not a substitute for actual medical treatment. The FDA does not approve supplements to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent diseases, and oregano oil is no exception. First, the 1200 milligram claim is marketing language. It's actually 300 milligrams of 40 to 1 concentrated extract, which they mathematically claim equals to 1200 milligrams of fresh oregano. This is a common supplement industry trick to make dosages sound more impressive than they are. Second, it's a proprietary blend with 7 different herbs. While this sounds great, you don't know the exact amount for each ingredient. They could be fairy dusted with trace amounts just to list them on the label. Third, Amazon reviews can be manipulated. While Vita has positive ratings, supplement companies are known to incentivize viewers or use paid services to boost ratings. Without independent third-party testing verification, you're trusting the company's claims. Real users report mixed results. Some say they feel it helps with minor colds or seasonal wellness, while others notice no difference at all. This aligns with oregano oil's actual evidence. It might provide modest support for some people, but it isn't a miracle cure. Important warning, oregano oil can cause some stomach upset, interact with medications, and shouldn't be taken routinely in large doses. It's not safe during pregnancy or breastfeeding. The final verdict, Vita oregano oil capsules are a real product, but with overhyped claims. It contains actual oregano oil with legitimate compounds, but at 1200 milligram marketing, proprietary blend, and bold health claims are typical supplement industry exaggerations. For $30, you're getting a modest wellness supplement, not a medical grade infection fighter. If you want immune support, prioritize sleep, nutrition, exercise, and hygiene over supplements. Save your money or buy from more transparent brands with third party testing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.